Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Exeter local and long-distance movers near me. We ensure that your long-distance move occurs on time without stress. We help you relocate to the next state over or all the way across the nation. With us, you receive all of the best moving services to make moving so much simpler. We take care of all of the needed moving options, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It might not be simple to reconcile the price of hiring a California moving company. A better look at the benefits you get from a local moving company can help you recognize why it's a practical option. The time savings you get may make using the services of a moving company one of the best choices you've made. It will also prevent you from having to deal with heavy lifting. Our experienced movers provide effectiveness with every single move. Using a local moving company like 3 Movers, you get a streamlined move. Moving locally may be very quick, and our crew can deal with even a big move in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Exeter moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.